Hi YouTube, it is me, Alice. I have a video where I'm going to DIY a thing or two. Okay, really, I have some shirts and I'm going to convert them from larger shirts into smaller shirts, crop tops. So here's my example. This right here is a nice crop top, Harley Davidson. It's cut out on the side and held together by these little knots, these little ties on the side right here. And so it went from being a 3XL to fitting a small. These shirts actually came from a friend of my mother's, or rather an ex-friend, if you will. So we have a few 3XLs. All are like Harley or like some type of motorbike related. I thought that it would be cool to like turn them into more crop tops. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, a comment, or subscribe, possibly. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with this one right here. Simple logo on the front, and of course, in true Harley fashion, you got an eagle. Alright, so what I did last time was literally just like the simplest thing. Cut as much of it off as possible. So essentially, this is going to be cut on the sleeves over here and then straight across. And then I will cut the seam and then tie them. I figure I'm going to just make exactly what this is. I know there are a few other ways that you can do the whole like cut tied t-shirt where it's like some pretty cool patterns. I do not personally have the ability to do that. So to me this is cute and simple, and that's really all that I care about, is being able to wear it and yeah, throw a sports bra under it and call it a day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make an executive choice to just snip the hell out of this one. If you make a mistake, it's okay. It's not about perfection. And with a lot of these types of styles of shirts with like the cut crops and things, sometimes, oh shit, I just cut my blanket. The imperfections can sometimes give it a little bit more personality and thus creates a more intriguing item. Now I will save the excess fabric and probably never do anything with it, but save it because that's a lot of potential things that I could do with it. I like to try to go slow with it, because sometimes I tend to get ahead of myself and get a little cutting happy, and then I'm like, damn, it is so much easier to cut off a little bit more than it is to put it back, obviously. So, sleeve number 2. Okay, nice. So let's see what we've got going on. I feel like this is a pretty good length, and like something like this actually might be super cute, just like leaving it like this and cutting off just a little bit more of the shoulders. One of my other Harley shirts that I like to wear is more of this just like kind of open cut off muscle tank that just kind of hangs and flows. Every different type of crop top has its time and place. Make sure you curve the cut, because if you just go straight down, it ain't gonna look quite right. Then now we have something like this. Okay. Side number 2. And I just realized I wasn't exactly paying attention to the back of this. I do like to try to make sure that I'm not cutting off the actual design of the shirt, because to me that's the only reason to wear it. To snip it right there, And on the other side, we're going to do the same. Just a little snip, 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 snip. And then now we have this open item. Hello. Oh. Get it over my head. There's real tight. And depending on what the knots look like, you can snip off excess fabric. It's going to be a little bit more baggy on the back side, but it will also curl up. So shirt number 1 complete. There we have it. I just cut 3 extra large t-shirts into sweet little summer crop top. How cool! That's what I call repurposing. This has been a thrill ride, to say the least. Maybe one day I'll actually get on a motorcycle. Maybe. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. This was great. This was great. Okay. Bye. Have a great day.